Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to remove the search icon on Shopify. First of all, go to your Shopify admin panel, click online store, then themes and hit customize on your active theme. Check if your theme has an option under theme settings or header. If there's no built-in option, go to Actions, then Edit Code, find header dot liquid, the section or snippet. Look for the li or div section containing source and delete it. Save your changes, and you can also right click here and hide option and save it. And that's it. Refresh your store. Boom. No more search icon. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.